Another thing we're going to fix is this part deteriorates a lot on these 4 liters. This is just a vacuum line that goes to the main vacuum canister thing over there somewhere. But if you take a look at this, I'm going to pull it off. This thing is really dry rotted and it causes vacuum leaks. And Dorman sells one that works perfectly. It's that model number there, 4729. Okay, as you see, it fit right on, and I'm just gonna shove it right on that little nipple down there. There you go. So that's a good fix for that. That thing is severely dry rotted. All right, another thing I'm gonna do is, I got from eBay, this is the Cowl cover that has the windshield washer nozzles on it. That is missing it. This is in really good shape. It was really well packed. This particular company specializes in interior Jeep, Broncos, Ford, Chevy trucks, Astro and Safari vans, and old Mustangs. So if you need something, you might want to call them instead of going through eBay. So as you can see, looks like someone kind of made do with some wiper washer nozzles. This piece here is actually underneath here, so we're going to put this piece, which has the integrated washer nozzles, onto here. What you got to do is you got to prod this up, but not only do you have to pry it up, you've got to raise this up so it'll come all the way up. You see? And once you do that, it should pull right off. There you go. All right, you gotta take all these little screws out. Now while I'm here, this Jeep, I think, has the little dreaded cowl leak that almost all of these have on the passenger side. So I'm gonna put some water up in here and see if I can see it coming through. It's not that big of a leak. It's not nearly as bad as the other XJ, which I fixed and have another video on that, and I'll try to maybe put that at the end. But let's see what we get on here. All right, so I got my water going. Should be leaking out here, which it is. I don't see any of that leaking. I don't know, I don't see anything. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is the finished product. This is what it looks like with the cowl cover on. This is your windshield nozzles and, of course, our wiper blades. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Alright, so these are all the projects that were not finished yet. This is the cover that you saw me work on. You can see it's all ready to go. No more rust. One thing we've got to do is drill the holes here, and it'll bolt up just like that to protect the filler hoses. This is the some bump stops. We've got to put on the front axles. These are the fender flares for the fenders, fender flare brackets. Now, some of these fender flare brackets, as you can see, it's very common that the studs break off. I'll have to drill those out and put some bolts in it. It's not going to be a problem. And then miscellaneous stuff, some shackles for the leaf springs, miscellaneous interior parts. As you can see, some eBay items that we're missing. So, won't be long. She'll be coming together. Thanks for watching.